To use a Visa gift card on the Apple Store, you need to add it as a payment method to your Apple ID account. First, make sure you have the Visa gift card details ready, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Open the Apple App Store or iTunes Store on your device and sign in with your Apple ID. Tap on your profile icon or your name. Then select Payment and Shipping. If you are using a computer, click on Account and then select View My Account. Next, click on Add Payment Method and select Credit or Debit Card. Enter the Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. The address associated with the Visa gift card should match the address associated with your Apple ID. After entering the Visa gift card details, click Next and then Done. The Visa gift card will now be added as a payment method to your Apple ID account. You can use the Visa gift card to make purchases on the Apple Store, including buying apps, music, movies, and more. When making a purchase, select the Visa gift card as the payment method. If the purchase amount exceeds the Visa gift card balance, you will be prompted to add another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is essential to note that some Visa gift cards may have restrictions or limitations, so it is crucial to check the card terms and conditions before using it on the Apple Store. Additionally, ensure that the Visa gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to make a purchase. By following these steps, you can easily add a Visa gift card to your Apple ID account and use it to make purchases on the Apple Store. Remember to always keep track of your Visa gift card balance and use it before it expires.